In this video, I am going to show you how to remove websites from a GoDaddy domain. So, removing, of course, a website from a GoDaddy domain does not mean deleting the domain. You can just disconnect the websites and still keep the domain in your GoDaddy account. So first of all, make sure you are in GoDaddy.com and logged in into your account or signed in into it. Then you'd like to go into My Products on this left panel. You will find here Manage Products and My Products. Click on that. So from there, you should find anything that you have that you paid for inside GoDaddy, including the domains as well. So any websites, any domains, anything. So just find the domain that you want to edit. As an example, at the bottom, you should find domains. At the moment, I don't have any active domains, but for you, you should find it. So just go and click on that, and you'd like to access the DNS settings of the domain. So once you click on that, you'll find, or you'll have to look for a message like this domain is connected to a website or connections, then click on remove connection. It's just a simple button that you will see in front of you. If you can't find it, use this research or search tool. You can open it by Control F as example and look for remove connection. You should find it, or it should be highlighted into your screen. Just go and find it and click on it to confirm the removal. And of course, if it is domain forwarding to another website, you will need to go to DNS, then forwarding, then click the delete icon next to the forwarding rule, and GoDaddy will remove the forwarding and locks the DNS a record basically again, so you can edit it. And of course, if it's somehow like GoDaddy websites builder site, you can go back to domains and basically click on websites or marketing or find the website that you want. And from there, you can normally go down and instead of here, I'll find connected domain, you will find disconnect or remove connection. So you will find either remove or change the connection or the connected domain. So just do not delete the domain itself unless you really want to lose the domain from the account, as example, or make it unregistered to be more specified. And of course, you can then go and connect it to any other website that you want to, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.